Breaking news coming in related to the Indo-China front. India-China to hold commander-level talks once again. India-China to hold the fourth commander-level talks. Focus will be on Pangong So and the Despang Plains. Fourth core commander-level talks are slated to take place today. Now, of course, after the de-escalation between the Indian and the Chinese in the Galwan Valley, this will be the first commander level talk that's going to be taking place after the de-escalation has happened successfully. Now we're also getting in news right now that today there's going to be a commander level talk that's slated to happen between the Indians and the Chinese, and this is going to be the fourth commander level talk that's taking place at high post. Focus will be on Pangong So and Despang Plains. We've got Ashish Singh with us on the phone lines. Ashish, important developments coming in. Fourth commander level talks to take place. The first commander level talks to take place after de-escalation successfully happened. Over to you for more.
Where the fourth core commander level is concerned, this is primarily still focusing on the disengagement. The de-escalation is still far away. Now, what has happened in the last three meetings, obviously the first two meetings didn't yield any positive results. Now, the third meeting, that's on 30th June, both the forces started disengaging at most of the location, but still the disengagement needs to be completed at Pangong So, where the Chinese forces had moved 4 months ago from finger 8 to finger 4. And now they have started retreating a bit from finger 4 to finger 5. Now, finger 5 to finger 8 is what the Indian Corps Commander, Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, is going to focus on as far as today's Corps Commander meeting is concerned. And obviously, after that is completed, there are other minor issues in the other locations like Galvan or Gogra or Hot Spring areas, and specifically the Despang area. Now, when you have these multiple locations completely disengaged as far as the both forces are concerned, that's when the de-escalation process will begin. And de-escalation basically talks about the rear side built up, the brigade and the battalion level slightly deeper into the both the sides of the territories. And that will obviously be again a mutual and bilateral decision, but that is still far away. The Indian and the Chinese Corps commanders are still focusing just on the disengagement aspect. Now, this is the fourth Corps Commander level meeting that is going to begin in approximately an hour from now, exactly at 11:30, when both the Corps commanders will meet at the Chushul BPO, the border point BPM, the border point meeting, and where you have the Chushul is the location where the third Corps Commander level meeting had taken place. It's obviously on the India side. The first two had taken place in Moldo, the Chinese side, and now the India side Chushul border post meeting point is being utilized for the fourth Corps Commander level meeting. But I see this as a process. It's certainly not an overnight changing decision or one meeting that will change everything. It's obviously going to be a process. The process from both the countries involves both the domains, diplomatic and the military. In the last 2 weeks, we have seen the alternate meetings taking place. One is at the JS level, in Joint Secretary level in the diplomatic domain, and in the subsequent week, we see the military corps commander level meeting taking place, and that appears to be by and large agreed upon formula, where both sides will be continuously engaging their respective counterparts in both the domains alternate weeks.
Of course, Ashish, and very rightly pointed out by you that de-escalation has not started. Even though this is the fourth commander level talks that are slated to take place today, when do you think India and China will finally start de-escalating from the border and situations will go back, I would not say back to the way they were, but situations go back to a better condition than what they were right now?
Concern, the process has already begun. They may completely disengage, but de-escalate winters is something that I don't see happening along the area between India and China. But remember, this is Army has also created almost a mere deployment, be it in terms of men or in terms of machines. And that's the reason why even Chinese will have to rethink as far as the de-escalation part is concerned. Disengagement, by and large, will happen. Certainly will happen by the end of maybe say August, and that's exactly where the onset of winters begin as far as the heights of 15,000 plus feet are concerned, be it Galvan or any other location for that matter. That's when it becomes difficult for the forces to
Of course.
sustain there.
Many thanks for being with us on that, Ashish. On that note,
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.